Cloudics is a revolutionary management solution for energy stations. It is a cloud-based system which is easy to install and manage. It reduces a station's operational costs and the impact on our planet. Cloudics has three core components: the cloud-based forecourt controller, the web manager, and the mobile payment app. The controller connects your forecourt equipment without any need for on-site physical control devices. You need only a dispenser, wet stock, and a cloud-based FCC to run your energy station. The cloud-based FCC exchanges information with the Cloudics web manager, allowing you to manage all your operations remotely. It is easy to change the prices at any or all of your stations, check fuel levels in real time, and view customer transactions with the press of a button. The final element of the solution is the Cloudics mobile payment app. This feature recognizes when a customer is present at the station and enables faster fueling, convenient mobile payment, and the viewing of receipts. The Cloudics mobile payment app is plastic-free, contactless, and easy to use. The great advantage is that our system integrates seamlessly with your current hardware and business management software. With Cloudics, you will reduce the hardware needed, manage your energy stations from anywhere in the world, and decrease your carbon footprint. Choose Cloudics, the future of energy stations.